Hello guys, Angelo here again, and tonight I have a special video, at least for me. Okay, uh, let's say that we can go on YouTube anytime and just type how to get 1,000 subscribers, and you have a bunch of videos. I myself saw a lot of them on those last few days, but that one is a kind of special, at least for me, because today was the day where I reached the 1,000 subscribers. Was I saw my dashboard was like 8:30 in this morning. I had 999 subscribers. 5 minutes later, bingo! I got to the 1,000. Yes. And well, that goes a long way. Let's start it. I started like last month on the 28th of November. No, sorry, of October. Thinking, well, I've been so long on YouTube. I checked out my account. I'm on YouTube since 2006. I only did always like a lot of videos with like my own stuff. Did like a video today, one in a month later, other 6 months later. I never thought that I would be doing something like more deep on YouTube. Last month I said, you know why? That's wrong. I see a lot of people doing so many nice things, and I do have almost everything that I need to do. Cool things too. To help myself, to help people. Why not to do it? So I start to think, looking around things, and to be honest to you guys, when I look around for one side and other, I feel like that guy here. I felt like I was living like on the 80s or so. I did not do anything good. I was just wasting most of the time on YouTube. I saw my profile from 2006 until October this month, 2019. I had 261 subscribers at that time. And I said, no, that's not right. I want to do something different. I want to do something good and not be like that guy here. Okay? So I said, well, but how to do? What to do? And I said, well, let's start somehow. So I start to watching videos for people that are successful right now on YouTube, getting videos. Like I said, I watched probably almost 100 of videos of those people, how to get subscribers, how to do this, how to do that. And I can tell you that helped me a lot. I could understand the mechanism behind Google and YouTube, how everything works, how everything like is put on it. I saw some videos on my dashboard that I've been done like in 2013, 2011, that I have 100 views, and was like for something nice. It was a video that I had yesterday. I was watching, and it's been since 2014, and I only had like let me see here if I can show you guys here. That video right here. That video is being on YouTube, as you guys can see here, since December of 2014. and I had 183 views. The title, Nintendo Game Boy. If you guys go on YouTube and search that title, you show up hundreds, probably thousands of videos, and all of them has, if a video has like a month or two, they already probably has more than 100 views, for sure. So I said, so what am I doing wrong? What's happening? So, like I said, on that whole month, I start to learn the mechanisms behind YouTube, behind Google, how everything works, and I discovered a very small word that means everything. SEO. That's how Google and YouTube get that servers, get that whole scramble of words, videos aligned and show to the right people. So I start to do this, learn a few things, and well, I'm amazed right now. As you guys could see here, I went from 261 subscribers on October 28th, sorry, to today, December 1st. Like 28 days or so. And I said, wow, that's really, really amazing. So I thought I'm gonna do a video today and see what's going on. And when I started to do that video, I look at my profile on my dashboard, and what I saw here was I didn't have any, just those 124. Now it's 1029. Just jump one down. They goes up and down a few times a day, but usually, wow, that's amazing. And I said, well, let's do one thing. The only thing that I can tell you guys is I'm happy right now. I hit the 130 subscribers today. And well, everything that I can tell you guys is just learn. Doesn't matter if you want to do nice videos, if you do nice things, if you don't put on the right way, if you don't know how to insert your videos, tagging, your title, your description of your video, and everything should be on this kind of way that Google, his servers, YouTube and his servers can sync everything and show your videos to the right people. And that is all that matters. And guys, by the next month or so, I'm probably gonna have already a few videos online showing the little tricks that I'm still learning and that I'll be learning during that time. And I'm gonna post here some videos to help people like me that, well, I'm not starting on YouTube. Like I said, I'm since 2006, but I really started on YouTube a month ago. And in 1 month, I reached that 1,000 subscribers. Working hard and smarter. So guys, again, by this week, I'm gonna start to post some of those videos already. I'm started to sort it out and do on the best and on the simple way so everyone can see it, can learn, and can do the same thing to be successful on YouTube. And my goal was to reach 1,000 subscribers by December 31st. That was what I put on my mind on the beginning on October 28th, but instead December 31st, today is December 1st, and I reached that goal already. So that's all I have to tell you guys for today. And like I said, stay tuned. If you like that video, give your like, hit the subscribe button on the bottom there, because by this week I will start to show you guys how to do the same thing and how to get your channel working and working for good. Okay, so see you guys to the next one, and bye.